I recently talked to a prospect in the commercial real estate space, and he said he loves when he's in front of people, but he hates the work it takes to get in front of someone. Guys, that's common. If you're in sales, you experience call reluctance or you're prospecting reluctance in general, I have three simple tips to get you out of your head and get on with your business. First, let's address that anxiety piece. Let's say you're about to tackle an obstacle, a phone call, an uncomfortable conversation, whatever that may be, your heart starts pounding. We feel that. And what's the first thought? I'm nervous. That's not good. I'm not ready. I don't like that feeling. And it's correlated with the thought of we should probably just avoid that. What if you made a new association with that increased heart rate? An increased heart rate means more blood flowing through the body, more blood flowing through that noggin of yours, preparing you for whatever task you're about to tackle. This is a preparation for your body telling you it's time to get after it. Nerves are only bad if you allow them to be. Number two, create an abundance mindset. In sales, it's easy to put pressure on yourself. Your sales nerves come from not knowing if you're going to make a sale that day or not. And abundance is that feeling that you already have everything that you need. The easiest path to abundance, it's gratitude. I'm 100% grateful for everything that I currently have in my life. I don't need anything more, but I'll accept it if it makes sense. Gratitude relieves your nerves and it causes you to not feel like your day is lacking. Number three, plan out your first 5 to 10 prospecting calls and execute that during your blocked out prospecting time. When I was selling door to door, I would wrap up my day. I'd look at my map of streets and all the people I'd talk to that day and potential prospects for the next. And I'd plan out my first 5 doors that I was going to knock on. The first door is always going to be the hardest, then the second, then the third. And at that point, you're already getting after it. Thinking causes you to hesitate and second guess yourself. Take that out of the equation and simply take action. So to recap, love on those nerves, create some abundance, and create that prospecting plan. Hit that subscribe button for more goodies.